So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire ice maker leaking water from bottom, tubbing and seal inspection. So fix 1 is clear a frozen defrost drain. Unplug the refrigerator and empty the freezer of all food. Remove the back panel inside the freezer with a screwdriver to access cooling coils. Locate the drain hole beneath the metal cooling coil. Then melt the ice block in the drain hole using hot water from a turkey baster or a hairdryer on low heat. Flush the drain with hot water mixed with a teaspoon or bleach until it flows freely into the drain pan. Second fix is check for water supply line and filter. Inspect the water supply line and inlet valve at the bottom rear of the refrigerator for leaks. Tighten any loose connection found during the inspection. Check the water filter for crack or improper seating that may cause leak. Ensure the water filter is properly pushed and looked into place. Replace the water filter if it is cracked. Third fix is inspect the fill tube. Water may splash or overfill the ice tray during a cycle, causing it to rain down the back. A common repair method involving using flexible tubbing or an extension. The tubbing redirects water directly into the tray. This solution effectively prevents water sloshing. Fourth fix is test the water inlet valve. Locate the valve at the bottom rear of the fridge, then unplug the fridge and shut off the water supply before testing. Use a multimeter to test the valve solenoids for continuity. Expected resistance should be between 500 to 1.5 kilo ohm. Replace the valve if the fail the continuity test. Thanks for watching.